Hi and welcome back to our new video. In this lecture of SOLIDWORKS series, we will discuss how to use Extrude cut and Revolve cut, and we will do some examples. First, we will design this green part here. For this designing of this part, we can use multiple approaches. One approach is that first creating a extrude base circle, then doing a slot cut and three circle cut. Second approach is making everything together and in one step extrude base. That is the best way to do so. And third step is to first make a revolved base and then doing a extrude cut on top. We can also do a revolve cut for these three circles. So starting by clicking on the top plane first, we will do the most easiest approach first. So to make this, we have to first ensure that the dimensions are in millimeters, and now we have to draw outer circle of diameter 80 given here. I will just write the dimension of 80 here. Now it is fully defined. Now I have to make this slot here. We can also create circle and then straight lines. We can also use slot thing. Dimension of slot, total diameter here of slot is, let's see. So center distance to the hair is 28. Here is 28 and from bottom is 28 and holes are of 10. The distance between this and this is same. So let's design a circle here and circle here. These three are equal and the diameter is 10, and these three are on the same circle. Make this concentric. Let's just make this here, and these three are vertical and this is horizontal. Now the distance from the center to the hair is 28. Okay, so now let's see, the distance from here is 7, so that means the distance to the hair is also 7. Now I just have to use a trim tool. I will just trim this, trim this, and now we have exactly the same part as this. Now I will just use extrude base and the thickness here given is 5. I will click 5 and now we have exactly what we want, and the color is clicking on body and clicking on eye palette, and now the part is ready in one step. The other way to do so is from just creating first 80 diameter circle and extrude base 5 and okay. Then now I have to make a slot, first circles. One circle distance is 28 and the diameter is 10 and this is vertical. Now it will be fully defined. Extrude cut, and here we have the complete circle here. Now I will just click in here and do the circular pattern. Now I have to just create a slot here. The distance is, since the distance here is 7, I will convert entities, make it to just check the dimension, that is 7, so this is also 7. Now I have to do the cut here. Now we have exactly the same, but it requires the 4 features. So this is how we create this part. Now I will attach second image and we will then design that using, when then on that we will also use revolve cut feature. Now we will design this part here. And we can also make this part using a boss extrude easily and boss cut, but we will use extrude cut for this purpose too. So let me just clear out this, yes, and delete the sketches. So now let me first clicking on right plane and make this thing here. So I will just make a rectangle and a circle here. So this is weight, but let me make it like this. The thing is 20 here, total is 60 here, and this length is 20 here, and this height is from bottom is 45 and total is 70. So I will just make it 20 70, and now I will use extrude base. Total length is 100. I will just select mid plane and click on 100. Now we have this. Now we want to make this cut and this x remove. I will click here. I will sketch the line. I will give the dimension of 45 here. So now we have this. Now I have to make a circle of radius 25, means diameter 50, and one circle of diameter 40. But we won't do the extrude cut simply. We will use the revolve cut feature here. But to cut this thing, I will just convert entities and the extrude cut, and I will remove this excess here. Now we will use the revolve cut feature here. Sorry, a top plane is coming here. I can change it to plane, but let me fix it. Now mid plane here, I will just do this and make this 45. Now we will have mid plane exactly where we want, because to use the revolve cut we can also use the right plane. So let me choose first right plane. I will just do this, and we want a center line here, and radius is 40, so I will just create a rectangle of total length is 40, means 20. Now I will just use the revolve cut feature here, click on yes, and just like that we have our feature here which we wanted. Coloring, clicking on face, and assigning it what we wanted, clicking on face, assigning what we need, that is this. Sorry, I guess this wasn't done, so again joining this. Okay, the color is like that. Okay, this here is red. Okay, and that is green, and this is also green. Copying, pasting. Now just blue remains, sky blue basically. So assigning this color make that complete part. So we will have seen in this lecture the revolve cut and the extruded cut, and in the previous lecture we have explored extruded base and revolved base, and we have completed the 4 examples till now. In the next lecture we will discuss the remaining features, and thank you so much for watching this video.